Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your YouTube history on your Android phone. So to do that, you want to open up YouTube. And once you're on YouTube on your phone, just go ahead and click your profile on the lower right. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. Now right here you will see that it shows history right almost at the top there, right? And so you can use your finger to swipe across to see a few of those history, right? But to expand, to open it more, click where it shows the word history and the arrow going towards the right. You click on that and it's going to take you into the full history. And as you can see all of my history, right? I'm catching up with sports, right? And so yeah, you can see how all you can even search for whatever you want to search for. It's really up to you, right? You can go by videos, you can go by shorts, you can basically, filter what you want. But this is how you can see your history on YouTube on your Android phone. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.